This video I'll be showing you a useful feature that I've just discovered using Chatgpt, and I thought I'd share it with you guys in case you may not know it. So as you know, with Chatgpt, it remembers the context of your previous chat history. So let me share an example. What is the last message in the previous chat? So it's going to go through, use the history that is stored in its system, and the previous chat, yes, I actually typed that in, trying to figure out an issue, and it remembered what it is. Now, for example, if you don't want to use previous chat history as your context, you can do what you can do is you can create a new chat. Let's go up here, and then you see on the top right hand corner, it's got a turn on temporary chat. So it's got an explanation here that with this temporary chat, this won't appear in your history. It also won't use or update ChatGPT's memory or be used to train our models. For safety purposes, we may keep a copy of this chat for up to 30 days. So this is very useful. So if you're doing some sort of coding or if you're going through do some research, it doesn't use previous chat messages as its history, and it doesn't really train the ChatGPT model. So it's a bit more secure. So let me show you using the same message that I typed in previously. So I typed in, what is the last chat message I typed? Let's see what happens here. Last message you typed was that. So it doesn't actually remember the history of some of the previous chat messages. So as you can see, it's pretty useful. So if you're doing something temporary, you don't want to use the previous chat messages. For example, if you're doing coding and you wanted to explain something and you don't want to use the previous chat messages, then use the temporary chat. Hope this is useful. If you did, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.